Meanwhile, new details continue to emerge in the so-called doomsday mom trial for accused killer Lori Vallow. Vallow is on trial for allegedly murdering her 2 children and her husband's ex-wife. Well, her sister-in-law took the stand last week, saying that Vallow believed her children and husband were possessed by demons. Cox's wife also said that her husband told her the night before he died that he believed he was the fall guy for Lori and her current husband Chad's criminal activity. We do want to bring in NewsNation's law and justice contributor and former FBI Special Agent Jennifer Coffindaffer to discuss these new details. Jennifer, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for being here.
Yes, thanks for having me, Natasha.
What is your reaction to Lori's sister-in-law's latest testimony?
Well, I think she's right on in terms of supporting all of this evidence. It is just mounting. We have text messages and emails and testimony from the friend, and it's just all painting this picture that provides very clear motive.
Do you believe that Lori's brother, Alex Cox, was in fact their fall guy?
Well, I don't like to use the word fall guy when you see what he was capable of doing, which was being a part of committing these murders. I mean, he was the hands-on guy. So I don't really call that a fall guy because that takes decision-making and implementing such a horrible, devious plan.
And new texts and emails between Lori and her former husband, Charles, reveal that he confronted her about her affair with Chad Daybell in the weeks leading up to his murder. Will this be substantial evidence in court?
I think this will be important. It's always important to understand really the motive. I know they're trying to paint the fact that, doomsday and, her children were zombies and all of this. But if you really look at the nuts and bolts, this is about an individual who wanted to get rid of their children and to leave and be with another man. And I think that part of this case shows that clearly.
And in one particularly bizarre message, Chad refers to himself as a grown-up version of Harry Potter, saying that he felt trapped when he would return home after adventures with her. Could Lori's defense use messages like this to try to build their case, arguing that she was brainwashed by Chad?
I don't think so. I think a jury is going to look at this and just see the hogwash that it is. Harry Potter, zombies. It really just all comes down to the actions that were taken and the fact that they disappeared off to Hawaii and celebrated after these horrible murders.
Okay. Jennifer Coffindaffer, appreciate your time. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.